What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox the Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we go, and this is an FDE, still made in the USA in Portland, Oregon. It's a little pricey. I think it's pretty close to $100. I'm not the hugest fan of tactical pens, just because I think using the inserts, they get kind of funky. But anyway, very, very cool pen. Clicker style pen. And the ink does stick out a little bit further than your glass breaker, your fancy glass breaker there. Like I said, I'm not huge on tactical pens, but I will say that this one feels pretty good. I mean, it's got some weight to it, and it feels kind of good. It feels kind of good in the hand. Again, the whole practicalness of a tactical pen versus just a standard titanium pen. I prefer a standard titanium pen. I mean, with the exception of missing the glass breaker, a standard really good titanium pen, if for whatever you're going to use it for, it's going to hold up very nicely, personally. And let's see, I'm sure this is a Right in the Rain. Again, not a terrible ink cartridge. Yeah, Right in the Rain. Not terrible, but not exactly my favorite either. Not if you're going to use it every day. Threads feel pretty good. It's got a rubber gasket there, so it does feel pretty secure when you screw together. Even though this is, I do believe, aluminum, it's got some heft to it, and it really does. It's got some good weight to it, and that is important, especially if you're going to use it. Yeah, it's got some thickness to it, definitely. So, yeah, what you want if you're going to kind of use it in self-defense, or if you're going to use it to try to break a glass window. I mean, it really takes a lot more than people seem to realize to break a glass window, but very impressive. Definitely seems like it's going to have a fair amount of retention. I've heard some complaints sometimes about the clicker being, getting stuck from time to time, so we'll see how that works out. But overall, the build quality really feels good, and all the machining that's done on it, and it's still being made in the USA, is still very, very nice to see too. So yeah, very interesting. I will, get to carrying it, and we'll check it out a little bit more in depth and do a full review down the road and compare it basically up against other standard titanium pens and how they would actually all stand up together. So there you guys go. That is the Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen, still made in the USA, which is great to see. Guys, we will catch you next time. Have a great day.